In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Klaviyo from Shopify. For many Shopify store owners, Klaviyo has been a go-to tool for email marketing and automation. However, there may come a time when you need to part ways with this integration, whether it be for a shift in your marketing strategy, a move to a different platform, or simply because you want to declutter your Shopify backend. Whatever your reason, removing Klaviyo from your Shopify store is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do. Navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you're presented with the opportunity to log into your account. This is an essential step because only after logging in can you make any changes to your store, including uninstalling apps and integrations like Klaviyo. So, click the login button. This will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your Shopify store. Go ahead and type that in. After you've entered your email, you'll be asked to input your password. This adds a layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can make significant changes to your store. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Shopify dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, your control center for everything relating to your online store. From here, you need to navigate to the My Store section, which serves as your home base on Shopify. Next up, let's dive a bit deeper into the Shopify settings. You can find the settings option usually at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Clicking this will open up a world of configurations and options for your store, but we're interested in one specific area today, the Apps and Sales Channels section. Opening the Apps and Sales Channels page brings you to where Shopify lists all your installed apps and integrations. It's a neat overview of what tools and services are currently connected to your store. We're aiming to find Klaviyo in this list. Once you've located Klaviyo, it's time to click on it to bring up the details about this integration. Here comes the pivotal part, uninstalling Klaviyo. You should see an uninstall option. This action initiates the process to remove Klaviyo from your store. Clicking uninstall is a decisive step, so Shopify will often ask for a confirmation or for you to provide a reason for the uninstallation. This feedback helps both Shopify and app developers like Klaviyo understand how they can improve their services. During the uninstallation process, Shopify might prompt you with a few checkboxes asking about the reasons for removing the app. It's optional, but you can select all that apply to provide valuable insights. After selecting a reason, such as not using the app now, you proceed to the next step, which involves a bit of data privacy housekeeping. Shopify is committed to data privacy, and thus it notifies you that a request will be sent to the app developer, in this case Klaviyo, within 48 hours to delete all personal customer information they may have stored. This step is crucial as it ensures that your customers' privacy is respected and that their data is handled in accordance with privacy laws. After confirming that you understand this, you've effectively removed Klaviyo from your Shopify store. It's a simple process, but one that requires careful consideration at each step to ensure that you're making the right decision for your business and that you're aware of the implications, especially regarding data privacy. Before I wrap up this tutorial, let me share a quick tip. Always think through the decision to uninstall an app or integration from your Shopify store. Consider the impact on your marketing strategies or automation workflows. If Klaviyo was a significant part of your customer engagement efforts, you'd want to have an alternative in place to take over its functions without skipping a beat. And there you have it. You now know how to remove Klaviyo from your Shopify store efficiently and with a clear understanding of each action you take during the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video where we'll dive into more tips and tricks to make managing your Shopify store as smooth as possible.